Installing Permagard. Once mixed, material may be applied with a synthetic 1/4 inch 6mm nap paint roller designed for epoxies. Immediately after mixing, pour the mixed material into a paint tray. Begin by using a brush or small roller to cut around the perimeter and any penetrations, columns, or other obstructions. Work backwards out of the room, coating in small 4 foot by 4 foot, 1 meter by 1 meter sections. Evenly work the material over the surface until uniformly covered. Do not allow material to puddle. If desired, scatter the decorative chips by hand in a rainfall pattern into the wet resin. Move quickly and coat the entire surface within the stated working time. Permagard Max has a working time of 30 minutes. For added durability and protection, each system offers a secondary optional clear top coat, sold separately, to enhance the final appearance of the floor. Permagard Max will be ready for light foot traffic in 12 to 18 hours and vehicular traffic in 24 to 36 hours. Changes in temperature and humidity may affect working and drying times.